Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nail art rhinestones that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the FANDAMEI Nail Charms and Rhinestones Kit. The FANDAMEI Nail Charms Kit offers a wide variety of nail decorations, including colorful rhinestones, pearls, and 3D charms in different shapes like butterflies and bows. This gives you plenty of options to create unique and eye-catching manicures. The kit also includes flat-back rhinestones and pearls with a smooth finish that stick well and resist chipping, so your nails look great for longer. You'll find mixed gems and metal studs for adding extra flair, or whether you prefer delicate designs or bold, edgy styles. Plus, it comes with a wax pencil and tweezers to make applying tiny decorations easy and precise, perfect for both beginners and pros. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Teenitor Nail Charms and Rhinestones Kit. The Teenitor Nail Art Kit offers a wide variety of tools to help you create unique and beautiful nail designs. It includes 15 sheets of gold nail stickers and several boxes of nail charms, such as gold shapes like moons and stars, colorful gems, pearls, and flower decorations. These options give you plenty of choices to customize your nails with elegant and eye-catching styles. The kit also features silver and AB rhinestones in different sizes, allowing you to mix and match for a dazzling look. With this kit, you'll have everything you need to easily make your nails stand out and express your creativity. At number 3, we have the TINKRSTUFF 32,000-piece Multicolor Resin Rhinestones Kit. The TINKRSTUFF Resin Rhinestones Kit offers you a large collection of 32,000 colorful 3mm resin gems, organized in 24 compartments for easy access. This variety lets you bring your creative ideas to life with plenty of options. The rhinestones are lightweight and durable, featuring a special coating that shines differently depending on the light, making your crafts sparkle beautifully. Included tools like tweezers and a pickup pen help you place each gem precisely, saving time and effort. Plus, the kit comes with 3 tubes of B7000 clear glue, which sticks strongly, dries clear, and is safe to use on your skin, making it perfect for jewelry, nail art, and various DIY projects. At number 2, we have the TINKRSTUFF 34,000-piece Resin Rhinestones Set. The TINKRSTUFF Rhinestones Kit offers you a massive collection of around 34,000 colorful 3mm resin rhinestones organized in 28 compartments, making it easy to find the perfect color for your project. You'll also get handy tweezers and a pickup pen, so handling these tiny gems is simple and precise. Made from lightweight and durable resin with a shiny AB coating, these gems will keep your craft sparkling for a long time. Plus, the included B7000 clear glue has strong adhesion and dries transparent, helping you securely attach your rhinestones for lasting results. This kit is perfect for adding dazzling details to nail art and other creative crafts. And finally, at number 1, we have the BELLEBOOST 1000-piece Resin Rhinestones Nail Art Kit. The BELLEBOOST Nail Rhinestones Kit offers you a massive set of about 10,000 colorful mini gems in 2 sizes, perfect for creating beautiful nail designs at home. It comes with handy tools like tweezers and a pickup pencil, making it easier for you to place and adjust the rhinestones precisely. The gems are made from high-quality resin with smooth, shiny surfaces, giving your nails a bright and attractive look. Plus, the kit's 12-compartment box has separate lids for each color, helping you keep everything organized and preventing any mix-ups or spills. This kit is great whether you're a beginner or a professional looking for versatile nail art supplies. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.